Central processing is one of the little-known careers in healthcare. Someone who works in central processing would re-sterilize instruments that have been used from previous procedures, would gather instruments and supplies and equipment necessary for those procedures, and make sure they get to the right place so that when the surgery is carried out, we have everything we need to do the case. Nashville State offers a technical certificate in surgical technology as well as a technical certificate in central processing technology. Surgical technology is more about being in the procedure during the case, and central processing is getting ready for that. So many people who wouldn't be comfortable in an operating room during a case but still want to have a career in healthcare and who are still interested in surgery would probably enjoy a career in central processing. Student accepted into the Central Processing Technology program will take some of the same classes that surgical technology students take. There'll be an anatomy class and a medical terminology class and an introductory microbiology class. But then they'll branch off on their own and take classes that are much more specialized, that teach them what instruments are, how they need to be handled. We'll teach them how to use the pieces of equipment they need to do to process the instruments, as well as put them into a clinical setting to actually get experience before they were to take a job. Studies on employment through the year 2018 indicate that some of the greatest growth in employment will be in the sub-associate degree level and in healthcare, and central processing falls into that category. Basically, any place where surgery is done, there's going to be at least half a dozen or more people working in this capacity in order to support that surgical unit. So there's a fairly large market out there for graduates of a program like this. One of the great things about a program like the Central Processing Technology program is that it's fairly quick. You get out and you get a job and you're working right there next to the doctors and nurses and all the other professionals. You can learn a lot about other careers that you might like to advance into. You still get to help patients, you still get to participate in delivering their care, and you get a job that's pretty flexible. You can continue going to school to do other things while you're still holding down a job that's still paying you a living wage, and you can make it through school and continue to advance your education. Anybody wishing to apply should contact the Surgical Technology program at Nashville State Community College.